I just passed the Proofpoint People Protect certification. I was a little nervous, but these are the tools we use, and the course that they gave out before has been great.
I was able to check in with the instructors while prepping post-class and make sure I had a good understanding what was going on.
So I just came from taking the test for certification.
Yes.
I took the virtual classroom training with John Stanton. Then I went back through and did the on-demand of the same training.
Just passed the People Protection Certification exam. Definitely had its difficulties, but prepared well for it, so happy with the result.
For me, what I do a lot of is I help customers understand Proofpoint products, particularly endpoint DLP and ITM, so it absolutely helps me show them step-by-step through how to use the tools.
To pass, it will mean that I will allow my employer to see that I am ready to be able to support this product. Shows that I am preparing, that I am continuing to develop my skills to be able to support the company.
So the exam was pretty challenging. I passed in the end. It definitely took a lot of effort, but happy about the result. Pretty cool hat. Didn't know we were getting one if we passed, but I got it.